If you have those annoying red notification numbers on your iPhone and they just won't go away, even after checking everything, here's exactly how to fix it. So right now, you can see I've got a red badge on Snapchat and Messages. You might also have one on your Settings app, which is super common. Let's fix that first. Tap on Settings. If you see a badge there, most of the time it's something important. Tap on your name at the top, then go to Payment and Shipping, and check if anything needs updating. Also, go back and tap Software Update. If there's an update available, that's usually what's causing the red number. Now let's fix badges on normal apps. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Notifications. Now find the app that has the red number. For example, I'll tap on Snapchat. You'll see an option called Badges. Just turn that off, and instantly, that red number disappears. If you have the same issue on apps like Messages, just repeat the same steps for each app. And just like that, your iPhone looks clean again. No more annoying red numbers. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips like this. Thanks for watching.